So Colleen and I bought this book, the Adventure Challenge Couples Edition, and it's got a bunch of different little activities to do. Anyway, today's activity is make a homemade cupcake thing together. Easier said than done. One of you must mix all the ingredients by yourself blindfolded, which is what this is for, while the other person gives instructions by leading with their hands. The leader can only use 3 directive sentences the whole time. The person with the least amount of cooking experience, which is me, has to be the blindfolded mixer. So that's what we're doing today. This is also my first time ever cooking or baking cupcakes. She's allowed to lead me with her hands, but she's just gonna watch.
Oh, wait, I was like thinking in my head how I was gonna walk you through it when I was laying everything out.
So what's the first step here? We have, okay, this isn't a directive sentence, but when I touch something, tell me what it is.
Eggs.
These are eggs?
Yeah.
In a box?
Yeah.
We got, this is a bag of something. What the fuck? This sucks. Does this mean that the bowl is supposed to, do I put this in the bowl? Oh, is that for the eggs?
Yes.
Pre-bowl for the eggs. Flour. Put this flour here.
Oh, no.
Oh, boy. I am cracking the first egg.
Perfect. Sick.
Oh, shit. So the eggs go into the big bowl now, right?
Yep.
That. Okay. Shit. Big bowl. What's this? Oh, that's the eggs. That means the big bowl's over here.
Yes.
And then that means the flour is
Yeah.
right here. How much flour do I put in?
All of it.
What is this shit?
Oh, I'm crying.
It's gonna be okay. We're gonna have cupcakes. I can get through this.
Your hand in things. Would you like to know how many more ingredients there are?
Yep.
2.
2. Fuck's this? Wait a minute. Milk! Shit, this is like filled to the brim, too.
Yeah.
Steady hand.
Uh-huh.
Steady hand.
Doing amazing.
Should have brought the big bowl closer.
Yes.
Alright! Okay. Whoa. This is the whisker.
Yeah.
This is the butter.
That was good strategy.
So that's all the ingredients. I don't know how long I'm supposed to do this for. Icing and gummy bear toppings. Hey!
Just checking it out. Just checking it out. Move it around a little bit. Move it around a little bit. Down on the other side. Down. Down towards me. Gonna give it a little
This is
swirl.
uncomfortable.
Give it a little swirl.
I can't do it like this.
Okay. Oh, get it to the sink. Dripping.
Oh shit! Where am I?
No. Okay. Not that one. Yeah.
Oh shit. This operation, nope. This is just gonna be a mess.
Outside of the way.
Well, your direction of forward is not, like,
Okay,
I don't know
there you
what
go.
forward is.
You just got
Oh, I can
touching you.
I
It's
can
touching
barely
you.
feel it.
It's touching you a lot. Just give it. No, that would be too far back. Come towards me a little bit with the bowl. Yep, that's good.
Hey!
All right.
Hey!
Move.
me do like one row of this because this is not. I'm gonna burn my fucking hand.
1 more inch. Okay, now go forward. Go down another inch. Now go to the left a little bit. Okay. Yep. You're. Watch your face. Hold the end of the tray.
Ah!
Side.
Nothing like a high level.
Okay, watch your hand. Get out of there. You're good.
Now we're gonna ice the cupcakes.
It's the style of frosting. Go for it. Just fucking.
Did it work? We did it! Okay, now I get to feed you one. Your face. Okay, open your mouth. Hold on, open your mouth. Close your eyes and open your mouth.
No, I actually said close your eyes.
Wait, my eyes are shut. I don't know where I'm going. Come on, let's be in this together. She's gonna start crying.
I'm crying.
Come on. We waited all day for these cupcakes. Let's go. Come on, we're doing this together. Where's your mouth? There's your mouth. Okay. How's the frosting taste? It tastes okay?
Yeah.
Did the gummy bear fall? Nope, gummy bear's still on there. Here we go. Okay, take a bite. There we go. Couples cupcakes. We did it.